Everyone, I'm Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share 3 games which are created for my 5-year-old, which is related to spellings, mainly reading kind of. And this was requested by some mothers who wanted to, focus on reading kind of activities. The kids were already reading, but just to reinforce those kind of practice at home. So these are the 3 fun games I've created. So the names are just like that: spelling game, and nonsense stars, and reading world game. So I'll start with the first one. So this is something which we used to play as a kid, if you remember, the hanging man kind of. So here I have created some dots. So the game is that I'll give a clue to my child that it is an animal, and then she has to guess the letters. So if she says is A there, then I'll cross A here and I'll write wherever A comes. And if she tells a letter which is not in my word, I'll cross it here but draw a line. So the challenge for her is that she should not let me complete this block. Okay, so because we are doing it the first game, so I want to give a lot of chances to my daughter, so I made a bigger one. But maybe if your child is already good at spellings and all, maybe like 3 is more than enough. So she get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 attempts to spell the name. So if the child doesn't need the clue, you can simply just make a word like this and ask the child, okay, what word I'm thinking of, depending on a capability of a child. My child is very young, so I'm keeping it very simple for her. Second one, it is a country, so I've written the answer in brackets so that I remember what I have written. So here I'm not given any clue. I mean, no letter has been written here, and she'll keep telling me and I'll keep linking. So if I make the blocks first, I win, otherwise she wins. And the third one is, it is an animal. So now because it's a spelling of elephant, and I know it is would be hard for her. I don't think she knows spelling even. So I have made the size of boxes, like E is small, L is like the bigger one, right? So with that she can get an idea that when I am showing it is bigger one, so it can be only L because it's up. And if I'm showing it low, it means it is something which goes like per or were, something like that. No, it's the first time, so I'm just doing all the possibilities, but you can change the game as per your child's requirement. This is one I am using is because she reads, but then she goes by the gut feel. I mean, if it's written a word which she has never read, but she will read it as something she has read. She doesn't read the nonsensical words. Basically, she doesn't break the words and try to read. If it is, for example, written pepper, she will say dipper or something like that. Okay, in some case if it's written pepper there, she'll still read it as pepper because she thinks that pepper doesn't make any sense, so I should not read it like that. You get that thing. So when we are trying new words in the book, or the book has some new word which she has never read, she never reads it. She guesses it, and then it's not something I want her to do. So this is what I made a game for her, so that she is encouraged to read new words rather than just guessing it out. So these are the 2 stars I have made. This is a mom star, it's a S1 star. So because she's my elder one, I'd call her S1. So if these are some nonsensical words I've written. So if she reads the word correctly, she can color her part of star. And if she reads it incorrectly, I get to color my star. So her target is that Mama's star should not get colored and her star should get colored. And these are the words which do not make any sense, but then she has to really use the logic, phonics logic to read it. They all are logically correct. Basically all phonics rules are apply here, like silent E is there and whatever. So that's why we are going to play this nonsense star, so that she practice reading actually. This is the third one. I named it 3-ring word game. It is, you have to make word using 1 alphabet from each ring, and only proper words are allowed. So I've thought about some words, and I like this one has vowels, middle ones, and end have consonants. So she has to I've given the target make at least 3 words with it. So like if she takes T or M, so makes Tom. Or so names are allowed, it's not that only verbs, but nonsensical should not be, like get. You can make these words. So that's to practice our spelling capabilities. So that's all are the 3 fun games, and hope you like them. Bye bye.